Good morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome you all to Astral's first Sustainability Day. My name is Manuel Ramari, and I am the Purchasing and Sustainability Executive for Astral Foods. Today, we have a number of presenters presenting on the importance of sustainability, the impact of climate change, and various other sustainability topics. I hope you all enjoy the day and please partake in the session because it's a very important day towards sustainability.
We developed a model for circular economic food production focused on food waste as the driver.
Wonderful entrepreneurial models where they take the waste, the plastic waste packaging, and they recreate elements or aids to use on a daily basis.
And it's an exciting project, and there's a lot involved to ensure that the waste is recirculated.
What started actually as just a small operation, getting the people to recycle the big meadows, has actually evolved into something major. It's a leadership.
You guys are people awesome. You can do a job that you take a week to do. See that.
We took what is recyclable here in the bins and we sort it. Plastics into plastic, box into box, polypropylene bags, so and so.